Once upon a time, in a realm where the sky was adorned with constellations that held magical tales, there existed a celestial kingdom ruled by the benevolent Queen Celestia. The kingdom, known as Starlight, was a beacon of harmony and peace among the stars. In this otherworldly land, four extraordinary beings were chosen by the celestial forces to become the Starlight Musketeers, guardians of justice, honor, and the cosmic balance. Each musketeer was bestowed with unique abilities derived from the constellations themselves. First among them was Sir Orion, the stalwart leader, blessed with the strength of 1,000 constellations. His sword gleamed like the North Star, guiding the musketeers through the darkest of cosmic storms. Lady Lyra, the muse of melody, possessed the ethereal gift of enchanting song. Her voice resonated through the heavens, soothing celestial creatures and befuddling the malevolent entities that lurked in the cosmic shadows. Serving as the astute strategist was Captain Draco, the celestial tactician. His scales shimmered like a cosmic tapestry, and his piercing gaze could unveil the secrets of the universe. His wisdom guided the musketeers through the intricate dance of celestial politics. Completing the quartet was Madame Cygnus, the graceful and agile warrior. With wings that sparkled like stardust, she soared through the astral realms, her grace matched only by her deadly precision in battle. The harmony of Starlight faced a threat when the cosmic balance was disrupted by the dark sorcerer, Shadow Nebula. Seeking to plunge the kingdom into eternal night, he unleashed his shadowy minions across the stars, casting a veil of darkness that threatened to extinguish the celestial light. In this celestial showdown, the Starlight Musketeers rallied together, their cosmic powers blending into a dazzling display of otherworldly prowess. Sir Orion's sword cut through the shadows, Lady Lyra's song shattered the dark incantations, Captain Draco's strategic brilliance outwitted the minions, and Madame Cygnus danced through the cosmic battlefield with grace and purpose. As the musketeers faced the ultimate confrontation with Shadow Nebula, a celestial storm raged overhead. Lightning crackled with the energy of 1,000 supernovas, and the constellations themselves lent their power to the valiant musketeers. In the climactic battle beneath the cosmic heavens, the musketeers' unity proved unyielding. With a final, radiant burst of energy, they banished Shadow Nebula to the cosmic abyss, restoring the celestial balance.